Ministry of Environment came. I brought the PS during the
Fagba incident is rather unfortunate, and I commiserate with the families who have lost lives, both the Hausa community and the Yoruba community, and I pray we'll never see such situations again. However, what happened was very simple. It's just a community. It was a disagreement that led to chaos, and this was as an aftermath of the NSAS protest. So what we've done is we've been able to identify a few people, and in my capacity as a honorary member representing the people, I have been able to raise a 10 million Naira grant or relief fund for them, where shops that were looted, businesses that were destroyed will be compensated for. Families that have lost houses or their place of abode will be taken care of. Those who are injured as well will be well taken care of. And it is important to state clearly that the monies were being donated by friends and families who believe in the cause of what we are fighting for, and it is to the tune of 10 million. And we have inaugurated the committee yesterday, and we have given it to them, and we've moved the money to them, and I know they will take positive actions in compensating those who have been affected in one way or the other before the state government will go ahead and then also do theirs. So the idea is to look for immediate relief. The immediate relief is try to raise as much as possible as I can get to succor the effect of the clash, communal clash. The responsibility of a legislator is not to do such, because I do not have any executive powers to raise money or to give money from the coffers, as all I earn is my salary. So I do not have a dedicated account for such incidents. But I know the local government chairman is going, in his capacity, is going to also give to them. The governor in his capacity to also give to them, and we'll continue to raise the money. If we have said 10 million and we get more than 10 million, we won't stop.
The peace which we've enjoyed over the years broke down eventually, and what I can canvass or tell the people to do is to ensure that at most times we find a way to tolerate ourselves, and if anyone is doing what is wrong in the community, you quickly alert the right authority, so that such an attempt can be stemmed at the early stage. That's just what we failed to do during this crisis.
As I speak to you now, normalcy have restored back to that area, and there are visibility of police everywhere. All the nooks and crannies of this local government to ensure that peace reign as I speak to you. And apart from that, we have equally spoken to all the respective parties, all the stakeholders in the community, and they have equally taken our words and to ensure that peace reign everywhere.
Well, actually, everything has just been in order. We just started it because we had a meeting with the Honorable yesterday, and we have they've inaugurated the committee for this palliative of a thing, and thank God we went round today to see things with our eyes. So our suggestion is we're going to call the people in groups gradually, then we'll see how best we can assist, as the governor said.
Okay, now what is most important to people? They want to know if the situation is totally returned.
Well, we can't say totally, simple because we have some hoodlums around hiding, in which we are still working, especially with the Hausa community. We're still going to have meeting with our people, and like we said, it's not only the Hausas. We have the Yorubas, even the Igbos around. They are there, but we're still going to work together and make sure that peace reign for good over there, God willing.